Today we're going to break down the steps for calculating the operating ratio. First, let's define what the operating ratio actually is in business terms. The operating ratio is a financial metric that shows the efficiency of a company's operations. It measures how much of a company's revenue is being consumed by operating expenses. To calculate the operating ratio, you'll need two key numbers: total operating expenses and total revenue. The formula is simple: operating ratio equals operating expenses, total revenue x 100. Let's walk through an example to demonstrate how to calculate the operating ratio. In this example, imagine a company has $500,000 in total operating expenses and $1 million in total revenue. Plugging these numbers into the formula gives us an operating ratio of 50%. This means that for every dollar of revenue, 50 cents is spent on operating expenses. Now, let's explore a second example to reinforce the concept. Consider a different company with $750,000 in operating expenses and $2,500,000 in revenue. Calculating the operating ratio using the formula gives us a ratio of 30%. This indicates that this company is more efficient in managing its operating expenses compared to the first example. Understanding the operating ratio can help businesses evaluate their operational efficiency and make informed decisions. By tracking changes in the operating ratio over time, companies can identify trends and areas for improvement. Ultimately, a lower operating ratio indicates better cost control and financial health for a company. In conclusion, mastering the calculation of the operating ratio is essential for effective financial management.